What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. We're going to be doing the March 2018 Watch Gang Black subscription today. Yes, I realized I've now had this for about 2 weeks. So we're going to go ahead and finally get this guy unboxed. It has been sitting here for that long, ready to be unboxed, and it's about time we actually get into it. So I've heard they've sent out some vintage watches, actually, people, which is kind of an intriguing possibility. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got in the Watch Gang box. Well, they don't even have the logo on here this month. So let's go ahead and take a peek at it and see what we got. So we'll go ahead and get the knife out and cut it out. So this is my 6th month of being a subscriber. I actually got this taped up really good here. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So got a black unlabeled box. So let's go ahead and dump this guy out. I don't know what this is. So we'll go ahead and get it set down there. Then we've got our typical advertising card here for Watch Gang Black. And just says Watch Gang March 2018 Black content.watchgang.com. For more info about your watch, check out this link. Okay, so interesting. We love surprises and we want all of our members to be surprised when they receive their watch. Please don't share this link with anyone so everyone has the best experience possible. So we're going to blur that if I accidentally flip that, but that's what it is. And then on the back, everybody's got their own unique URL. Yes, I'm covering it with my thumb because we're not supposed to share it out. But let's go ahead and open it up. So it's an interesting, like I said, it's just a plain black box. Let's go ahead and slide it out here. Oh wow, this is a really tight fit here as we try and get it out. I don't think I've ever had one that fit that tightly. So plain black slip on the outside. And we've got a WG William Greger 1791 on the front of the box here. So kind of an embossed logo. I'm trying a little bit different lighting, so hopefully this comes across well for you guys. So let's go ahead and flip. Whoa. Okay, that is cool looking. Love the color, love the design. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this guy out here. Like I said, it's a William Greger 1791 is listed on the box. I'm guessing that's some, like the established. Okay, it's an automatic. It is really nice looking. It's not super heavy. I think this is probably the most pleased I've been with a watch. So I'm going to have to size it because, well, maybe not. Maybe it is already pretty close. It's got the name of the brand on the bottom. Kind of hard to see here, so we'll get it right up there. So we've got the name of the brand underneath on the bottom of the band. Name is on the face. It might be a little bit hard to see through the cover they put on there. It's got a date complication. That's it. It's a pretty basic watch. It's a domed. Let's see if we can actually show this well here. It is a domed face. The movement's extraordinarily quiet. This is actually a really beautiful watch. I'm actually really impressed. I was going to pause my subscription for the month of April, but you know what? I might unpause it and do another month because this month's been pretty impressive. And the reason I say I might pause it is it's expensive. Watch Gang is not cheap. The black tier is $100 plus shipping, so it's $110 per month, which isn't cheap. I mean, it's not, but you're also most of the time getting an automatic watch or a very nice quartz watch. Last month I've got the Out of Order, I believe it was, and I think I did a video on that. We'll have to take a quick look and see if I got that one up. If not, I will get that one up because I know I shot the video. A month before that, we got a Tarula. Again, I shot the video. That one I know I haven't uploaded because I lost the second part. But anyways, rambling on. Really cool watch, and I'm going to go ahead and zip over to this custom URL they've given me and take a look at and see the information about the watch. So let's zip over and take a quick gander at that. Okay, so March 2018 Black Tier watches. Wow, there are a lot of them, and a lot of them are super cool. A lot of them were very cool like this. There is actually a couple of William Gregors that looks like they were released. I think this is the 3093. Let's take a look inside the box here and see if there's any information about it. Okay, I do have the sheet about it here. To wind up mainspring, turn the ratchet wheel screw 8 times. It will start to manually. To wind up with the winding machine, full wind up conditions. Okay, cool. They give you the unfortunately, it doesn't look like I have a model number here, so I'm going to look, see. Okay, so the watch I got is the William Gregor BWG 3093-213, at least that's according to this, with a metal link band. I don't see that anywhere on the face. I don't see that on the movement. It is a William Gregor movement, so it looks like they have a customized movement. So that's cool. I don't know who actually makes the movement, but there's the watch, and it's going to be really hard to get you guys a look at the movement. Really hard to show without taking the band off of the watch. So I'm taking a look up at that information now. It's stainless steel band. It's a Japanese automatic movement. Glass is a mineral crystal. And other than that, it doesn't list a whole lot about it. But I'm really impressed. It is a really nice watch, and I will probably be continuing Watch Gang maybe for at least a little bit here. And the reason I only say for a little bit here is, like I said, so first of all, Watch Gang is not a cheap endeavor. It is $100 a month for the black tier. If you go down to the basic tier, it is only $30 plus shipping. On the black tier, you are talking about $100 plus shipping, so it's like $110 after shipping. The platinum tier is even more expensive, and that's, I think, $300, $275, something like that, but still pretty crazy expensive. And then you have the, if you get invited, the Centum tier, which is $1,000 a month. I did get invited one month. I cannot afford to do that, so I can't afford to just drop a G a month. Even the $100 watch is a little bit on the steep side for what I would normally pay. So it is something pretty cool. I do like it. I would like to continue to get it. I don't know if I will. I think what I'll do is I'll do another follow-up video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another follow-up video here. And that'll be on here and my other channel that I'm going to start up here. It'll just be a 6-month overview of what I think of Watch Gang. Did I like their products? What overall I think over a 6-month period, and would I recommend it to people? So check that out in the near future here. But guys, I hope you enjoyed checking it out, and I'm out.